Hey guys, so I want to come on and do a quick review on this new oversized padded lounge chair that I just got from Amazon, and I'm so excited. I want to share with you all my favorite features, how easy it is to fold, unfold, put away. I'm just excited. Okay, you guys, so this is how it's going to come in the box, nicely folded just like this, and all you have to do is push it down and fold it out. No assembly required whatsoever. This thing is absolutely beautiful. How easy was that? I want to show you guys up close the detail. First of all, you can already see the padding on this and how comfortable it's going to be. It comes with a nice pillow that you can lay your head down. Look how sturdy this is. So it's made for someone large, small, whatever, tall, it's going to work. You get these really nice wood pattern armrests that are so comfortable, you guys. You can see how shiny it is, so the comfort is there. You have a locking position, so if you don't want it to rock, that's all you have to do is lock it. You're in place. If you want to lay up, perfect. You have this chair in the upright position, and if you just want to lean back on it, you just put the pressure in the back and it's going to lean back so nicely. It's going to mold your body exactly how you want it to be. Sometimes you don't want to be completely flat, so you're going to have the perfect arc on your back. It's going to be so comfortable. Like I said, it's padded on both sides. And look how beautiful the pattern is. I absolutely love the color. I love the design. Another feature that I love, you guys, is that it comes with a tray for your snacks and your drink. And there's no assembly required. All you do is slide it on, make sure it's pushed down. You can have your snacks on there. You can have a drink on there. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to bring a table wherever you're at. That just goes into place so nicely. Have it by the pool, have it on a patio. I am so excited, you guys. Okay, you guys, I want to show you how easy it is to recline in this chair and how smooth it is. So all you do is you sit in it, you put your body weight to go back, and it reclines so smoothly, you guys. I love this thing. You have your snacks, you have your drinks. If you want to lock it in place, the feature's right here. So you press down, and now you can sit up, and it's not going to sit up with you, which I really like, because sometimes I don't want to move. If I unlock it, as soon as I sit up, it sits up with me. So it's that easy, you guys. It's so smooth. This thing is so comfortable. Now I want to show you how easy it is to fold back up. Take your tray off, put it wherever you want, and simply pick it up, and it automatically folds up. So simple, and now you can store it wherever you want. It's lightweight, and put it away. Hopefully I showed you guys all the reasons why I absolutely love this chair. It's winter right now, but hopefully the season's gonna change soon, and I'm gonna be out this the entire summer by the pool, on the patio, lounging the entire time. I'm so excited, you guys. I hope you liked this review, and go get one yourself.